Why do we do substrate preparation? The answer is simple. Just like anything else, substrate preparation is a good 95% of the application. If you do not do the right substrate preparation, you're guaranteed that there's a potential failure. Substrate preparation is the key to any successful application. Substrate preparation is to ensure you're removing contamination from the surface, which includes dirts, dust, paint, anything that can inhibit the bond of anything you're putting over top. That could be priming, that could be waterproofing membranes, it could be tile adhesives, or it could be floor leveling products. All materials which require the correct substrate preparation in order for a proper bond to the substrate to ensure a longevity of the material. If you have any questions, please comment below. I look forward to answering these questions in the videos in the future.